Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to message someone on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to tap this letter icon. That's your messages section, and now you want to tap button new message. That usually looks like a plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen, and now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that will appear on your screen, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, which will redirect you to chat with this person. So finally type your message, and when you are ready to send it, just hit send button. That looks like paper plane icon. So that's how you can message someone on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.